everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a shopping haul to share with you. I met Kayla at King of Prussia Mall in Pennsylvania, which is a little bit outside of Philadelphia. I coerced her to make this trip because I told her it was a mall not to miss, and I don't think it disappointed. If you haven't subscribed yet to Kayla, please do. Her channel's below. I'm sure you already do, and if you don't, hurry up. You're missing out on a lot of fun. So we went to the mall, and I am about an hour away, and she is well over 3 hours away. And I did a little shopping in Anthropologie first, and when she arrived, we both went into Anthropologie, which is on one side of the mall, and we worked our way across the mall. We spent quite a bit of time in Bloomingdale's, and unfortunately, I didn't get anything there. I kept trying all these things that were just ridiculously too young for me, really poof sleeves, tight fitting. It just didn't look right on my body. I had a lot of fun trying it on, but you know, it just wasn't for me. I believe she got a sweater there, and then we headed over and we shopped at Macy's. We shopped at every store. The mall is just incredibly huge. But where we hit the jackpot, both of us, was at Loft. So I'm going to show you now what I got at Loft, okay? First thing I got was this pair of denim shorts in white, all right? They had the frayed bottom, okay? I got them in my usual size 25, and they're called the cutoff short and high rise, and the fit is regular, okay? And let's see, shorts. The original price, because they were having a sale, original price was $56.50, my price $39.55. The next item I got was another pair of shorts in Seersucker, and I've been dying to have Seersucker. And these are, I believe, 98% cotton, 2% elastane, and then the lining is 100% cotton on these. Let me make sure. 97% cotton, 3% elastane or spandex. Machine wash cold, line dry, all right? I don't have any Seersucker, so excited to get these. The color I would describe as cantaloupe. So it's a brighter than a peach, but lighter than a coral. And these shorts were originally $59.50, and I got them on sale for $41.65. And again, I got my usual size 0. Next up comes this really cute sweater, and they had this in 2 different colors in the store. Oh, and the shorts, these shorts, I think they also had them in blue online. Or in the store. I got my regular size extra small. It's $69.50. I want to say it's 60-40 with the 60 being cotton, 40% acrylic, but let me look to be sure. It is, yeah, 60% cotton, 40% acrylic, and I don't feel the acrylic at all. Machine wash cold separately, delicate cycle, tumble dry low, cool iron when needed. I would not tumble this dry, I would lay it flat. This is a really pretty sweater. They had this in coral and pink, which Kayla tried on, but I don't think she got. I have to be honest, I gravitate towards anything blue. I love blue. I try not to buy too much of it, but I don't know, for whatever reason, this one was calling me the blue and the yellow in this sweater. So I'll show you what this looks like on, and I'm very excited to have it. Okay. Next up, really excited for this. This is a 100% cotton sweater. All right, it has pointelle. I'll come a little bit closer so you can see. It has buttons down the front, which would then end up being in a V-neck, and it's got scalloping detail here. Let's see if I can hold it up so you can see both the scalloping and the pointelle. So you scallop and the pointelle. And I don't have any orange in my wardrobe. I'm extremely excited to have this, and this was $59.50. $59.50, my price $41.65. Very excited to add this to my wardrobe. Next up, I got a tank. That's sweater material. Let me hold it up so you can actually see. It's kind of like nubby, okay? It's like a textured thing, but it's soft, very soft. And this is 55% cotton, 45% acrylic, and again, I don't feel the acrylic. Machine wash cold, delicate cycle with line colors, tumble dry low. Again, I would lay this flat for a low. And this was $44.50, and my price $31.15. And I got my usual size extra small. I feel these were all true to size. I'm usually pretty consistent with the 0 extra small in Loft. You know, it's funny, they had this in the lavender and they had this in a striped, and I liked all three. And it was like, oh, and again, I gravitated towards blue, but I just literally had to think, okay, what don't I have in my wardrobe and how would I wear this, right? So I'm gonna put this on as how I'd expect to wear it. And you guys can let me know if the outfit works or not. Or you're like, what the hell are you thinking? But again, like, I literally go through my brain, what, do I have anything this color? If the answer is no, then I can get that color. If the answer is yes, I have something similar, then I try and do another color. And then I said, all right, do I have things I can wear and style it with? And somehow this outfit popped up in my head. I can see it in my head, but I don't know if it's gonna work when I put it together. Then after Loft, which by the way, we were so excited. I was squealing with delight in that store. I'm going, oh my God, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, look at this, you know, and she made out with a bunch of items too. So again, check her video out and see if you like what she's got. I'm sure she's excited to share with you. I can't even tell you how happy I was when I was in that store. All right, so the next thing I got, and it was no great bargain, I got 5 pairs of undies at Soma for $58, but I needed them. So these are just black underwear, and let me show you what these have that I really like them. They're seamless, as I throw one on the floor. They're seamless, but they have like this like silicone sticky thing. Can you see that? Along the back of the leg. And no, it doesn't bother me. No, it doesn't fall apart in the machine. It just holds them in place. And I really, really like this kind of underwear. They're bikini style. They also have them in briefs, and they have them in hipsters, and they have them in thongs. So I don't know if they have them in thongs because you don't really need the grippers from the thong, right? This is the bikini style that is plain. They also have one with lace here on the side, which I don't particularly care for because the last pair of lace ones I had kind of got destroyed. So the lace just started looking like falling apart. Again, it has the grippers here on the side that keep them in place. And these, I size up in my underwear, all right? I don't like to wear too small of underwear. Extra small is a little bit too tight. I prefer the small better. All right, so give me a minute and I'm going to do a try on. I know this seems crazy, but this is the first outfit I had in mind. So I have my blue tank on that I just purchased. Again, it's a sweater tank. And this is just a gauze top from Calvin Klein. It's a button down that I purchased at Macy's like a year ago to have like a layer or to cover up to wear for the beach. And I just actually never wore it. Not that I don't like it, I just haven't had a chance to wear it. And I thought it would be a really good cover up for this top. And a pair of boyfriend jeans from Express, okay? So they're a little bit on the looser side, but nothing crazy. And just a pair of white sneakers. And, you know, if somebody said, Carol, let's do a walk on the boardwalk, and it's a day that's, like, you know, probably like in the 70s and 80s, perfect outfit to take a long walk on the boardwalk in, all right? Again, here's the sweater tank. I'll show you the back of it. And I believe it's bra friendly. I'm wearing my regular bra with it. Okay, maybe it's poking out a little bit, but not too bad. And yeah, I like this sweater tank, and this is a great addition to my closet. Okay, give me a minute and I'll put on the next outfit. Okay, next outfit are the shorts. Now these have 2 slash pockets here on the side that are very sewn up. And they're definitely pockets. I mean, there are pockets on the inside, but these are sewn shut very well, except for this one little thing here that's poking. I am not gonna open these pockets unless they start pulling apart because I think that they'll bulge otherwise. With it, I got a sweater, right? A short sleeve little knit sweater from Stitch Fix, believe it or not. And I got this in one of my boxes. And you have not seen that video yet, so stay tuned for that. It was a great box, kept 3 items. So I really adore this sweater. I think it might not be a perfect match with the shorts. I'll come closer so you can see. But it is so freaking close. And I think they go. And this is, again, I call this color cantaloupe. I would not call this color peach. I think it's too bright for peach. I think it's too not dark enough to be a coral. All right. So here's the back and the back of the shorts. And I would say these are a 4-inch short. They come right just to my fingertips. And these are the types of shorts that I like to wear. And they're nice and cool and light. Remember, 97% cotton, 3% elastane. And there is a lining to it. And that's 100% cotton. So I am thrilled with these shorts. I think they're really cute. And again, they fit true to size. And they also had them in blue. All right, give me a minute. I'm gonna do the next outfit. Next, I have on this adorable spring sweater with the white denim shorts. Again, I would say these are 4-inch shorts. They come right to my fingertips. Maybe they're a tiny bit shorter than the other ones. They have the frayed bottom, and other than that, there is no distressing. They have the regular 5-pocket styling. Here's the back of them. Okay, very comfortable, nice, comfy shorts. Again, true to size. And the sweater is true to size too. V-neck, ribbing around the cuffs. I got them rolled up a teeny bit because I am a shorty. Yeah, this is a really cute sweater. Great for spring. You can wear it with white jeans. You can wear it with light denim. I even have a pair of yellow that might go with this. So I am very pleased with this purchase. All right, give me a minute. I'm going to throw on the orange sweater next. Now, how cute is this sweater? I mean, how can you go wrong with this? So it has the banding here on the cuffs, and it's a banded bottom, and I'll come again closer so you can see the whole scalloping. It goes all the way around, and it has pointelle here, and it's 100% cotton, super lightweight, pointelle throughout, but it's not see-through. You can unbutton this and just wear it as a cardigan. I'm wearing it as if it were top buttoned up. Totally, totally worth the money. Highly recommend this. I'm really excited to add this to my wardrobe, and that is it. I hope you enjoyed this haul. I can't even explain how excited I was to have Kayla join me that day. It was a lot of fun. We were both white by the end of the day. I'm sorry I don't have any footage. Maybe Kayla has some footage, but I don't feel comfortable filming in the mall with other people around me. I don't want to get them on video. Moreover, they had music playing in the mall, so I'd have to silence it out and then do a talk over. Plus I was just there to shop and enjoy myself and not really film, but I hope you really enjoyed this haul and you like what we got. And again, check out to see what she has. I'm not even sure what she has. I was so focused on buying for myself. I know 2 items that she got. One was a sweater, another top, but I don't know what else she might have purchased. So I'm looking forward to watching her video myself. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Give this video a thumbs up, click that notification bell, and take care. And until next time.